again. We've looked at Thursday, so today's Friday. What are the trades that happened? We start with GU. On GU, remember that I had this idea, but that was this morning. So this was yesterday. After I missed this and one, I was thinking, okay, this one, the CS did this. I wasn't going to take it overnight because I felt like I wasn't just feeling comfortable. As at this time also we have not closed below this, so it's not about not being feeling comfortable. It's about the fact that if it's not valid, I'm trying to see why I have that line there, but I don't know why. So we're just going to delete this. We're going to delete this. Okay, I know why, because I wanted to. I'll show you why. So when I woke up, what was I looking at? I was like, okay, where is the last? This is the last OB. This needs this. Nothing else after this, so we've done everything else. So we're trading this up. Of course, when price already came here, so this is no longer in play. This already has a champagne bottom. So I was like, okay, type 1, we like type 1, but also this is a type 1 that is a sell. We confirmed it here. This is a sell here. It went down. Immediately this closed above. I was like, I didn't like it. Maybe I should not, because overall the market can go down, it can go up. This already hit this point, so I was thinking, okay, maybe because this confirmed, this went up, this went down. I was like, and so I took a buy here, and my stop is down because of the shenanigans. I didn't know I'm holding it over the weekend, hopefully no gap, and I put this here because this was so close, no top wick, but in a way maybe I should have closed it. Thinking about it, maybe I should have closed it there, but I don't know, we'll see. For now, this is a trade because this is a level, so I don't know, but if we close below this center again, I'll close the trade and leave it until we leave this point. So as of today, you see, so we had this like to come back down. I really wanted it to just die. I did this, so this week is not allowing me to trust this. So we're looking at this confirmed, so that's why it took so long. Comes back, eats this, and I was supposed to get that. But today's Friday, it's getting to the end of the week, and GU, this is a type 1 long. You chose the long instead of this, so I'm unsure, so put this, and I will not do this again. But this in part with EU. What happened to EU today? This EU was the better trade, but I didn't see this because in the morning when I was only looking at this, I didn't pay attention to EU, and I was really angry with myself because I told myself to check it out, but I did not. OB, I've not confirmed. Yeah, this is type 1, so this is first type 1 confirmed. This already confirmed. What else are we looking for? This is a trade. So it's really, I'm really pained that I went with GU considering this, and when is this trade invalid? Don't close below this. I know it's a type 1, but type 1 already has an OB that is here. Don't close below this. If you close below this, you would accept the loss, because it might get this, and we still have all this, so it might get it, it might close below. So we'll see what happens. So technically, this should be because this is the low. But so break it down. Sorry, less time. Don't close. So technically, this is our trade, 6-1, but it's not real because you can set a stop loss, and I'm not going to use this. But maybe that I should. But Because if I use this and this is 6 pips, it got to 12. So if I was risking 1%, it was already 2%. In real life, I might be afraid. So let's just put it here. And that's the trade. AU, there's a sell ongoing that I closed already, but we're still looking at this from yesterday, I think. This was the last. Okay, we're still waiting for it to come back. And then I saw this. Where am I selling this? Wait a minute, type 1, bam. Why shouldn't this is very risky because I was looking at this yesterday because this can get here. This is a type 1. Why am I trusting this? Because this type 1 has not gone up, so there should be a limit here for AU. But I should set overnight. After this, I will check that because there should this limit should still be there, and we should leave something like that. So because if what it is has hit it. And why did I take this guy? Because it was yesterday. I put it there yesterday. Where's the target? Sorry. See? Oh, okay. This is the first time I saw this late. So let's adjust it. And we can do this. This was the time it hit this. So when it hit this, I was like, all right, give me the first pin down or just somewhere here. So I took this because it was the time I was looking at the trade, and it came back. OB, right? So let's remove this. OB confirmed we are just coming back here. So this was oh my god, now I understand. This candle here, that's why I set the limit. This is the candle that took this OB. I was like, okay, close above there. We're going to sell this. So this is and this is its so sell to buy. And then we had a type 2. This was a strong confirm, sell it again, but this already won, but I closed somewhere here and this should be down because I set an alert here too. But for me, honestly, this shot, when we took this, I was thinking, okay, I wasn't going to be interested in it, and this justified me. But this is a type 1, so we still need an OP. So and we're forming type 2 cells. So this was the Friday trade. So I didn't set this until this morning when I took it. So this has not played out. This is playing out, but that's not one. So just set this here, and we'll put a box around there so we know what we're dealing with. Yeah, because it's a lot. So this is the candle, the range. And okay, I'll come back to that. Actually, you can do this just quickly so that you do not forget. You need to do this first. Type 1 pain. It is what it is. Everything here is going to be yellow because it's just that kind of thing. So this short is still ongoing. You see, I didn't close it. The short is still ongoing. I didn't take partials because I only took it. I should have closed here. But we take some off now. We take 1/3 off now because why not? Which other one was that? Oh, you cut short. That's not nice, but that's not like that. So yeah, and then AU. Sell, still unsure. And then we go to UJ. This lost, so we have to update this, and this didn't come back. So UJ -1. So we leave that, and nothing special, nothing special. GU just continued, nothing. So this is Friday, Saturday, nothing. Maybe this would have been a loss, but I wasn't awake to it, so nothing happened. Nothing. I'll try to do everything this every day. Nothing. So fine. EU, EJ, nothing. Just time up. Nothing special. Nothing complicated. Nothing. This was the only one that retraced, but I didn't engage in this, and now that I'm seeing it, I'm thankful that I did not, because I saw this and I was like, yeah, you took this, but this, I was like, overnight. I wasn't in this trade, of course. If I was in Nigeria, I was like, and also this is not, yeah, it's just like CST, but it's not convincing really, because I don't know, there's just something about this that didn't convince, but I wouldn't have mattered also because this price could get there, but I didn't see this. I was like, this, nothing special. So here you go. Nah, we have to see this. Even, of course, I wasn't on the trade here, but this is not convincing. This is not running. Also because if it had, also this is a, I just felt like if it had come here because it was a gap, if this came down, it was nicer. So I wasn't. You card. Barnabas is going to be mad because he stopped him out here. This is still the trade from previous. So this is, oh my god, this should be there yesterday. So this is still from yesterday actually. And I was waiting on, this is all the crazy thing with different feed, and I would show you which, but for me it's annoying because this is 1 hour and it shouldn't have this. So we still have U card, and we should have SAT, and we should have U card, and this is a type 1, and this is a cell, and this is that, and we should have this yellow. So this lost already, so remove it. So yellow, and all this why is this annoying? Let's look for U card FX5. You see what I said? This is an OB. Runs up. This is a buy. A lovely buy. Stop below there. No, this already gave, rejected, gave a 1.3 hour. So this is painful because this is one, and I didn't like that idea that there were differences because this is 1 hour. But why didn't I use FXify on? I checked other markets. Nothing here. Because this is the end of the expansion. The indicator is trying to load. Nothing there. We'll check like 5. Capital. Nothing. Rwanda. Nothing. FXify only. Forex.com. Nothing. Like none of them is even close. Pepperstone. Nothing. Oh, Pepperstone had. So Pepperstone had too. For me, okay. But this is not, this is confusing for me. I didn't like the IC market. IC market had, oh, maybe. And I'm saying on IC market because he's a big guy, but a nice market didn't come low. So maybe maybe I should be tempted to buy one last time, but we'll see. And then maybe I would buy that because this is not good. We are looking for it to go up and offset limit here, but we'll see. And whereas we had it on, I don't know, 8 cap, nothing. So that was the reason. And so it's confusing on gold. Oh, gold went up. This will have been a loss. Maybe not. It's about to lose, but I didn't engage it because I couldn't buy this. I just couldn't. This one, this already won since yesterday. Let's check. So our gold longs already won. So we didn't have to. We can remove all these joins. And what was the next one? This was painful because it was almost there. And this type 2, this already, I'm not buying a type 2 OP like this. Of course, this had an effigy inside, but gold, I'm not doing. But this is a type 1. If we have an OB and wake up on Monday and they are not gapping up, I'll be interested if that turns out to be an OB or not. Nasdaq. On the Nasdaq, we have is pumping. Did we have anything special? Let's also move to drawing from yesterday. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. I remember that this already nearly won, and I wasn't in it because it happened overnight. And when I woke up this morning, I didn't, and I still don't get. My efficiency is really bad. This happened over Asia. Oh, okay, maybe not. This was confirmed to buy, so we should be. There's a nice sell opportunity. I should be selling it, and but it would confirm with other stuff. Yeah, but this is a type 2. Even though it's a type 2, I don't know. I'm afraid to sell Nasdaq currently, apart from the daily, but type 1, did it come back? Yes, it came back. So if I had seen this type 2, I might have trusted this dump, but I don't know. There is a trade here. We can't say there isn't a trade. So there is a trade there. Of course, this is there, and this is there. So this trade exists. It's an interesting trade. I don't know. So we can start shorting from here or there. I don't know. I want to take it, but I also don't want to take it. I know that makes sense. And I should be stopping here. It's a type 1. On this feed is a type 1 like this. So I don't know. Should be in this trade already. And there's just something about this trade that I should be in, but I hope I will not regret it. So this is a trade. This is valid. They should be going on. I don't know. There's something about it that wants me to take it, but I don't know. I don't know. Types already won. That was very decent. Awesome. So we have U card. I don't know. Okay. So that is the end of this. Thank you.